Hola, hola, amigo, amiga. Welcome to this video. My name is Melina and I'm sharing with you some expressions and phrases that present a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the phrase. En español, dichos o refranes. Same thing. Idioms are an important part of any language. Knowing them can help give a more accurate and nuanced expression of any idea or feeling. Knowing idioms can also add richness and variety to your conversations. It will make it easier also to express yourself with native speakers. So when we are talking about Spanish idioms, it's important to know that there's over 20 countries, I think we're 22 countries, that has Spanish as an official language. So it might happen that there's a popular dicho or refrán, for example, in Cuba, that if I listen to the dicho, I don't even understand it, even though it's the same language. I'm talking about culture and accents. This is why I totally recommend our platform, because you can choose from which country do you wanna learn. Now let me show you some of the most popular dichos en español. First one, a caballo regalado no se le miran los dientes. You do not check the teeth of a horse when it is given as a gift. A caballo regalado no se le miran los dientes. Don't criticize the gift, because it's a gift. Dar gato por liebre. So the exact translation would be to give a cat for a hare. Meaning, take someone for a ride. It might happen, for example, that you buy something and you receive other thing, which is cheaper or worse, or it's not working, so somebody gave to you gato por liebre. A beautiful and very positive one is no hay mal que por bien no venga. There's no bad that comes for good. One of my favorite ones is por si las moscas. The literal translation would be for if the flies, but the meaning behind this is just in case. It talks about taking precautions in case someone or something unexpected, unwanted arrives. No tener pelos en la lengua. Literally meaning not having hairs in the tongue. So imagine if you have hairs in your tongue. It's hard to communicate. So a person who no tiene pelos en la lengua, who doesn't have hairs in the tongue, can speak freely. A loose translation would be to go straight to the point. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumb up, and why not, ¿por qué no? Subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more information and more entertaining ways of learning a new language. Continuing so with this one from Costa Rica that says, el buey solo se lame mejor. The ox alone licks itself better. Better being independent. I think in Argentina we could say mejor solo que mal acompañado. Better alone than in bad company. Same thing, same meaning. Another one from Chile. A buen entendedor, pocas palabras. The meaning behind this phrase, a few words are enough for the one who understands. A funny one with hairs too. Esperar a que las ranas críen pelo. Wait for the frogs to grow hair. So this is like waiting for the impossible. Now I'm sharing with you the one idiom that you need to learn ASAP, as soon as possible, which is más vale tarde que nunca. Better late than never. This is super important for your language learning journey. No excuses, just do it. Más vale tarde que nunca. You can learn a new language no matter your age or your routine. You need to commit and practice. Believe in yourself. You can. Let me remind you that you can sign up for our 7-day trial with Lingopie. So give it a go. Why not? ¿Por qué no?